You're too slow!
We keep moving strong.
Feel something in the air. The wind of change is blowing near. It is time for something new. Higher go to pursue.
What you gonna do? What you gonna say? What you gonna do? What you gonna say? What you gonna do? What you gonna say? What you gonna do? What you gonna say when I fly through your town?
There's a bright light in your eyes. Being with me feels so nice. Fly with me up through the sky on the wings of a butterfly. I am looking for some affection. Are you going in my direction? I am looking for a real connection.
What you gonna do?
Are you going my direction?
What you gonna say? What you gonna do? What you gonna say when I fly through your town? I'm the king of stopping evil. Do it, but it's right hand me the ground. No matter the hard times I face, the way is always found. You gotta kick it into high, you gotta hit the speed of sound. I have the power in my soul, yeah, there's nothing new. But it's double trouble, this not one of me, never two. Bursting on this road, cause I am the true blue. I'm here now and forever, I'll always say you.
Change is strange, exciting and frightening, truly inviting. Change is oh so strange, exciting and frightening, truly inviting. Life is just like riding a bike for the first time.
You're too slow!
Past, present, future, no matter where I'm at, I'll make a stand. Moving further, I'm gonna take my journey across the land.
Change is strange, exciting and frightening, truly inviting. Change is strange, inspiring and troubling, truly inviting. Change is strange, life could rearrange. Change is so strange, life could rearrange. Keep moving, keep loving, keep rising, keep smiling, keep growing, keep cycling the change. Keep moving, keep smiling, keep rising, keep loving, keep growing, keep cycling the change.
We are running as fast as we can on this road that we seem to be on. Nothing can take the joy that we feel away from us. We keep moving strong.